In Missouri news, for a second time in 3 years, Planned Parenthood is back before the Missouri Supreme Court to argue against the state over a blockade of funding. The challenge is over the legislators' use of the appropriations process to keep the Women's Health Agency from getting any state money. Our Sinclair sister station's Kermit Miller explains more.
In 2020, the Supreme Court said the legislature had played an unconstitutional game. Lawmakers had appropriated Medicaid money through MoHealthNet for services to low-income people with language that specifically excluded Planned Parenthood, which at the time provided abortions in Missouri.
Page 13 of the Circuit Court's opinion, it said nothing in these two statutes establishes that petitioners are entitled to participate in MoHealthNet.
In 2021, after the Supreme Court said an appropriations law cannot be used to amend a general statute requiring the inclusion of all qualified service providers, lawmakers tried a new approach. They included Planned Parenthood in the Medicaid appropriations bill, but with $0 allotted.
We're back again. I mean, here we go again with a long line of cases.
Now, even though abortion no longer is legal in Missouri, Planned Parenthood seeks Medicaid reimbursements for birth control, cancer screenings, and other medical care.
Under their rule, the legislature could no longer use appropriations to prioritize facilities in urban areas, facilities in rural areas, facilities in low-income areas, or even facilities with demonstrated safety records. Instead, the legislature would be limited to a binary choice: fund everything or fund nothing. This would gut the most important tool of policy that the legislature has.
The court now must decide the question of whether a $0 or $1 appropriation satisfies the legal requirements for inclusion, something that could impact the state budgeting process well beyond Planned Parenthood.
Government funding, it's essential to make sure people have access to care, and we're going to fight for our patients' rights to get that care.
Thanks, Kermit. The Attorney General's office wants the court to overrule Cole County Judge John Beadham because Planned Parenthood did not pursue remedy through the Administrative Law Court.